Here is the one idea that makes the rest of TypeScript click. A type is just a set of values, nothing more. The number type is the set of all numbers. Boolean is a tiny set, just true and false. And a single value like the string yes is a set with one member. Once types are sets, the hard parts turn into simple questions about sets. Real code is full of values that could be one of a few types. Here is the set of all strings. And here is the set of all numbers. A union, string or number, is simply both sets, taken together. The value is honestly one of them. We just may not know which one yet. So the real question becomes, how do we safely pick a side? Say a function takes a string or a number. Both are fine to receive. But then we call dot to uppercase. And the checker stops us. Numbers do not have a to uppercase. Half the set can do it, half cannot, so the whole call is unsafe. The fix is to shrink the set before we use it. Now watch the set itself. String or number, every possible value lives somewhere in here. Then we ask one question, is the type of ID a string? Inside that branch, the numbers are gone. The set shrank to only strings. And now, dot to uppercase is completely safe. That shrinking has a name, narrowing. Here is the whole function, narrowed. Inside the if, TypeScript knows ID is a string. After that return, the string case is gone for good. So below, ID can only be the number. No cast, no any. The checker just followed the code you already wrote. This is control flow narrowing. It reads your ifs and returns the way you do. The same trick saves you from the most common crash in JavaScript. A value might be a user, or null, or undefined. Reach into null.name and it throws at runtime. So guard it. If user is truthy. Null and undefined fall out of the set. Only real users remain. Inside the guard, user.name is finally safe. One more, and it is a little mind-bending. Keep narrowing, removing case after case. Eventually, a branch can have nothing left in it. That empty set has a name too, never. It is the type with no possible values. If your code ever reaches a never, you have handled every case, and the compiler can prove it. So, the mental model. Type is a set of values. A union joins two sets into one. A check like typeof or a truthy test shrinks that set. And never is what is left when nothing is. The empty set. See types as sets and TypeScript stops feeling like rules and starts feeling like logic.